guys, it's Lone Wolf Killer, and today I'm doing an iPhone unboxing. This is the iPhone 5S, 16GB. I'm going to be using an iPhone 5S to record this video, so yeah. Here's the iPhone. It's brand new, it's still got the tape on it. And it comes with the papers and documents. Here's the earbuds and the charger. Yeah, the reason I'm using an iPhone right now is because I needed to get a new one because mine's kind of all cracked, and then the touch sensor kind of stopped working, so I just wanted to get a new one. And now you can see like what the quality of the videos are on the iPhone 5S.